Hi everyone! Welcome to our ProVlog abilities. For today's agenda, we will be playing a game, but with a twist.
Ang loading misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo.
Let me call the Joke Jag team! And the Jaja Merles girls!
Let the game begin. Bato, pick. Gamot sa adik. Nalo ka. At bumunot. Re. Pakita mo rin.
Sa akin siya eh.
Dito ka sa harap na. Pansik ka. One, two.
Masakit ha.
1, 2, 3, go. Boom.
The second challenger, Jag and Yob.
Ay, makala. Bato, pick. Okay, mabunot na po tayo. Abi ka pala. Saet! Pumunta ka sa harap. Guys, ang nabunot ko is black, which is siya ang babasagan. Reverse lang yan. So, 1, 2, 3. Laban na!
Bato.
Bumunot ka. Tingin sa taas. Ay, shuffle mo muna.
Papasag yan.
At ang nabunot mo ate. Black. Ang napupakita mo black.
Uy, maduga ka!
Okay, tapos-
Edit na lang, edit out mo na lang yun ah.
At dahil black ang nabunot mo. Ayan.
At dahil black, ang bulot ko, babasarin ko yung flow.
Mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Pakita mo yan.
The winner of this last round will get the title of the Year of the Egg.
Ikaw. Isa mo na. Laban na.
Yes.
Bato, pick. Bye-bye. Okay. Ang bumunutin.
Nakatingin sa taas.
At guys, black ulit ang nabunot ko. At dahil dyan, siya ulit ang babasagan. So, 1. Count! 1, 2, 3. Uy, Russell, may last round pa. 2-2 yung score. Kaya ulit.
May ba?
Oo.
Hindi, tama na yun.
2-2 yung score eh. 2-2 yung score namin.
Tama ka na, te. Awat ka na.
Ay, nos last round sila ni Cha. Kasi 2-2 yung... Agaan naman.
Malinis.
So, 1.
How did we even get the probability dot of an egg getting cracked? First, list the possible outcomes. Let the C be cracked and S safe reversed. Second, count the outcome of the egg getting cracked. After that, count the number of possible outcome of an egg getting got cracked CX. Then, write the possible outcomes and end them. The probability of getting an egg dot cracked is 1. That's how we get the probability of dot getting an egg cracked.
So guys, doon na nagtatapos ang aming challenge. So guys, ayun, nakita naman natin kung sino ang mga nabasagan at sino ang mga safe. So, for more video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa video namin. See you guys in the next video. Bye!
Na baka